What's up guys, David from Windy City Dent Repair. We're here with another repeat customer who has a 2017 5 Series BMW. There's no access to the damage on this dent, which is on the right quarter panel. So since we can't use our actual tools, what we have to do is a method called glue pulling. We take hot glue, we bond it to a plastic puck, and we actually attach that plastic puck with the hot glue to the metal, and we pull. Once we pull, we get what we call a high spot. We flatten it down back to where the metal was, and it makes it look like nothing ever happened. Let's take a look. We're going to take the hot glue from the aluminum glue gun and attach it to this puck. Once we do that, we attach it to the metal. Once we attach it to the metal, we go ahead and pull. What I'm going to be using today is actually going to be Hiko Mini Lifter, or also the Robo Lifter. What this is going to do is it's going to attach to this plastic puck here, and I'm going to be able to pull that metal back out to where it was. Once we go ahead and lift the metal back up to where it was, we're going to take our hammer and our knockdown. Take our hammer and our knockdown and slowly knock that metal right back to where it was. So conveniently, my battery died. But what I'm going to show you now is pretty much the after of what I showed you previously. This is going to be the after repair, completely fixed with glue pulling. There were 3 little shallow dents in this dog leg here. And what I'm going to go ahead and show you now is the after.